Hi, my name's Mike Salazar. I'm in the process of helping out the wildfire victims of California. Right now is the time to be giving, and we have a lot of people out there that seriously need a lot of help. And that's what I feel we're here for. So with the help of the community at Greeley, we'd love to see what we can do. We're leaving the 20th of December to personally deliver it out there. I want to give special thanks to Roger Ramirez of Weld County Garage, Dave of Greeley Subaru, Joy of DriveWise, and also Harley Davidson of Greeley, Mail and Copy, and also Fast Signs here in Greeley. With these companies and with the community there, again, I feel that we can help out, and we're just asking to please open up your hearts to these people who really need it. And all these places I mentioned are drop-offs where you can donate. There's a list of, we have in need of baby wipes, diapers, gloves, warm clothes, gift cards, preferably Walmart. They're all over. We're looking for tents, anything that will help these people. But again, we're told by Red Cross they have to be new items only. But with your help, please open up your hearts and let's see if we can't help these people. Thank you.